Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to the Balance University podcast. I'm your host, Nick Astulis. Today, we are going to be reacting to Mr. Beast curing 1,000 people of blindness. This video is crazy. This video is crazy. You guys subscribe to my channel because you want to be an entrepreneur. You want to make money online. You want to ultimately be successful and make a shit ton of money in the world. So you can do what? Ask yourself. Leave your answer down below. I'm very curious. Why do you want to be rich? What is your ultimate motivation? What is your ultimate goal? For me, I want to be like Mr. Beast. I want to be a philanthropist. I want to selfishly gain subscribers and make money on videos, but using that money that I'm investing, like that ad budget, on helping people. Now, the reason this video really hit home with me was for a few reasons. So let's jump into the computer so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Full screen. All right, let's get it. In this video, we're curing 1,000 people's blindness. So why this video is so dope to me is because of this part right here.
How Satchel's surgery went.
No, I don't even see any blur. It's kind of great.
How are you feeling? How's life been now?
It's been good, you know? I be like looking at the cars and I'm like, wow, I didn't see that car all the way over there.
That's good if you're gonna drive it.
Yeah.
I have a surprise for you. Do you mind putting on this blindfold?
Hold on.
I know it's a little ironic that we just had the surgery. Satchel, take off your blindfold.
What?
This is your brand new Tesla. If Chris wrecks it, I'll buy another one.
Literally, I cannot put into words how I feel right now.
Have you ever driven a car before?
No.
I love how we're letting a guy who couldn't see a couple weeks ago drive us. Yeah. Wait.
If that's not the coolest shit you've ever seen in your life, to me, there's nothing really fucking cooler than this video. My main goal is to fucking, I think in this order. I want to save myself, then save my family, then save my friends, and then do my best to give back to the world. You know what I mean? Like, I wear contacts. Like, I can't see for shit. So, like, this video just fucking, dude, it was just like, bro, what the fuck? He made 1,000 people be able to see for the first time. Like, or get their eyesight back. Imagine, at least like if you were born blind and you don't know what it's like to have eyesight, you don't know what you're missing out on. But say you have eyesight and then you lose it one day, I would be unbelievably depressed. Like, I can't see for shit without my contacts, but because I have contacts and I have glasses, like, I could live a normal life. I can only imagine what it's like to be blind, but I can also imagine what it's like to cure 1,000 people. I'm assuming that surgery was a minimum $1,000, and he cured 1,000 people. So you do the math, that's $1 million. He dropped $1 million, plus he gave, if you guys watch the video, he gave away 50 grand, 10 grand to this person, 10 grand to that person, a fucking Tesla to this kid. Like, that's the dopest shit ever. I'm aspiring to be like him. I would love to be like him. Like, Steve will do it, like Juan from That Was Epic. Like, these dudes are setting the bar to a new level. There is nothing fucking cool about you bragging about how many girls you got, how many bust down AP watches you got, how many mansions you got, how many supercars you got, all those bad bitches that you got. Like, who gives a fuck, bro? I don't give a shit. You're not impressive. What's impressive is stuff like this. Mr. Beast. Steve will do it. Like, That Was Epic. Like, making other people's life better. And then, like, that shit, like, echoes for eternity. You make a YouTube video like that, you're a legend forever. You could die, but, like, you're that dude. It's not about you. It's about what you can do for other people. For me personally, how I plan on getting there, like this, I could just talk about this shit all day. Like, my plan for getting there is as simple as this. I have the social media marketing agency. That's what you guys learn. That's what I teach you guys on this channel. It's like how to grow and start one. And, you know, my plan's to grow it to 100 to 150K per month. My plan is to make as many fucking people money as possible so that it's not just me that's being a philanthropist. I want to inspire other people to do so also, and to make money as well. You know what I mean? So like that's why my Balance University course is $1. I want to make as many people as I can rich so that I can influence those rich people to then be like Mr. Beast. Like you guys see me doing it at the smallest of small scales. Like giving $20 here, $20 there, doing stupid social interactions with, you know, the drive-through workers. Like that's what I can afford to do right now. I'm not at Mr. Beast's level. I hope to be one day, so I can give back. I would love to make a video where I cure 1,000 people of blindness. I need $1 million, so I'm gonna like that's ultimately what I'm doing. Like that's what I'm trying to do. That's how I'm trying to get there. Um, Make sure you guys subscribe. This is just a reaction video to Mr. Beast's video. Subscribe because I'm going to be in the next video talking about my plan to get to 100K with my marketing agency and how I plan about going there. I'm writing out a whole war map. I'm literally dropping 17 grand in February, and I'm going to document the whole process and how I'm going to grow my agency to around 50 to 100K and then keep scaling it, scaling it, scaling it. So make sure you guys subscribe. You don't want to miss that. And like I said before, in the very beginning of the video, leave a comment down below what the reason you want to get rich is. Like, what is the main reason? Like, is it to flash? Is it to flex? Is it because somebody said you couldn't do something? As long as you got your family and your health and your friends, that's all that matters. What do you guys think about this video? Leave a comment. Subscribe if you're new.